sun shines bright, it's time to play. A baby cub starts the day. Hop on top, hold on tight. Riding a lion feels just right. Through the farm we race so free, waving to friends as we cheer with glee. Wind is blowing, hair flies high, laughing loud as we zoom by. Green grass, blue sky, barn so red, golden hay where cows are fed. Moo and ba, cluck and neigh, all my farm friends love to play. Look up high, clouds so bright, a circle sun, a star at night. Rolling, jumping, hay so tall, a golden playground, fun for all. Up and down, side to side, giggles echo as we ride. Sun sinks low, the sky glows bright, a golden farm says goodnight. Stomp and clap, a happy sound, dancing feet jump all around. Sing a tune